Um, Welcome to our first Python tutorial. So for this first video, I'm not going to go through too many things, as it is just basic introduction to the Python programming language. Now, first of all, I'd like to open to a page that I have already um, kept open. That is, you go over to python.org, and what you will see this page. Now we have so many things. We might want to define what is Python and the rest of the things, but basically Python is a programming language. I want to take just what they have put up here. If you look at this, say Python is a programming language that lets you work quickly and integrate systems more effectively. Python is a dynamic language. It can be used to do a whole lot of things. It is like the leading language now for machine learning, game development, back-end development. They have a whole lot of libraries, frameworks that you can use to do so many things. So I'm going to be introducing you to Python. And basically, when you have a system, you have your local machine, your PC, or whatever you want to call it, it does not come pre installed with Python. So first thing you have to do is to come over to where we have Python and download it. Okay, so if you want to first check for Python versions, okay, or to find out if Python has been installed on your local machine, you can go to your command prompt. So you do a Windows plus R, you type in the CMD, and you can see my screen here. I'm going to type a command, Python, all right, dash dash, and I'll say version, okay, and then I'll tap enter. You can see here that I have the latest Python version 3.9.6. okay, but if you do not have Python installed, it will give you a very different command. I already have Python installed on my system before I wanted to do this tutorial, so I would not like to uninstall and start doing the installation again. So for you that you don't have, you can just come over to download. You can see we have the latest version 3.9.7. okay, so you just click on download. When you click on download, it takes you to where you can download it. All right, so you download the latest version, either if you're using a Linux, you're using a Mac, or you're using a Windows. Okay, so basically I believe that most of us are either Windows users or Mac OS users. Linux, I've really seen few guys using Linux, but I have a different local machine that I solely use Linux Ubuntu. So one of these days I'll be doing a tutorial on how you can install Python on Linux systems. Okay, so basically you download and then you install. Okay, so 3.9.7 maybe I could just download, but that would just be that. So when you have downloaded Python, all you need to do is, for Windows users, it comes with the exe file extension. So what you just have to do is double click on this, and it will give you the installation wizard, and you can use that to do your installations. So once you have done that, you are ready. We'll be using another tool. Basically just introducing the tools that we'll be using. We'll be using Visual Studio Code. So we have Visual Studio Code. All right, so Visual Studio Code is the next tool that we're going to be using. It's a code editor. That's basically what we are going to be using. It has a lot of it helps us get a lot of things done. All right, so Visual Studio Code is what we'll be using next, so you look for